Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Now today's flyer is for the Indians, my brothers in a different country. Now if you want to design this, it's going to be easy. I'm going to show you how to do it in Photoshop. Follow me step by step. Go to file, go to new, and then let's set the dimensions to what we normally set for social media handles, 200, 200, 300, and then that is it. And then I'm going to set it to color white. All right, and then click on OK, and then click on create. Then I'll go to view, and I'll go to new guides layout. I'll set it to 4 and I'll click on OK. And then guys, that is basically it. Now I'm going to show you step by step. The first thing we have to do, guys, go to place file, go to place embedded. What you have to do is to pick these. I'm going to leave everything in the description for you as usual, guys. Don't need to fret at all. I'm going to pick the name. I'm going to drag the name and everything down like that. Okay, maybe I should go here a little bit. All right, but I feel like this is better. Guys, also need to make sure it's in the middle of the line, right? In the middle of the line. Alignment is really key. Then you want to go again and go to place embedded, and then this time you want to pick the handles. Okay, the handles, whatever your handles are, guys, you know what to do. Whatever your handles are, I'm going to drag it somewhere up here. Okay, also guys, make sure it falls in the middle. The secret to this flyer is the alignment. Okay, so let's go to file again. Let's go to place embedded, and then this time we are going to pick him. Okay, and then let's see, what can we do? I'm going to drag him up like that. Okay, maybe increase the font size increase the picture a bit. Okay, I feel like it's full. I'm going to drag it here a bit more. All right, good. Then I'm also going to place embedded. I'm going to pick in the parliament. Okay, good. But I'm going to drag the parliament underneath the image. Good. And then this also, I'm going to drag it above. Okay, maybe above, just in touch with the glasses there. And then I feel like this is what? Okay, so now guys, we are basically done with it, but we cannot leave without adding some few dynamism to the whole thing, and we do that with glow. All right, you know my secret, I always like to finish up with some few glows. Okay, so I'm going to pick color white here, then I'm going to paste it there, then I'm going to go there, I'll set it to linear dodge. All right, now that's quite simple, right? But I'm going to drag it, click on my move tool, I'm going to drag it somewhere on the forehead here, and then I'm going to reduce it a bit, maybe around to 90%. 90% will do. I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to drag it to the forehead, the back of the head. Just, yep, good. The contact between the back of the head and then the parliament there, the building there, that's good. The next thing is I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to drag it here. Good. I'm going to set it to 45%. Okay, now you can see it over there. I'm going to put it also in a group, and I'm going to call it glow. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you create this. Now if you love this video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. Guys, I'm going to be releasing the PSD file very soon. I want you to subscribe and comment as well, and like this video. These are the things that I need from you. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.